Hi everyone, and let's see how to print Hello World. And this is the first program. So, in the Visual Studio Code, I'm creating a new file with the shortcut Control N. If I click Control N, it will create a file, and you have to select the language. Instead of that, you can directly go for Save Control S. Then this pop-up will come, and I want to save that file in this location. So I'm copying and pasting here. So here I want to give as Python start dot ipynb. So this ipynb is the extension for Python notebook, just like Anaconda. So I'm creating a save, creating a file and saving it. Once I get saved, the file has been created here of type ipynb. So it is just like the Python notebook. So okay, let's see. So my code is to print hello world. So what is the code in the Python? So in the Python side, print hello world. If I run this cell, it will ask for select the kernel. Select kernel. Instead of kernel, it won't execute because it needs a base kernel to run the code. Hello world. If I say to print the string which is user input, which is given by input user, I mean to print a string which is given by an user. So which means string as an input. How will I explain what is this mean? So I have to print a string which is given as the input by the user. For this, say s is a variable, input keyword, print s. If I run this cell, it will ask here. So if I may, if my input is Umesh, then I have to copy this Umesh and I have to give in the input cell. If I had entered this Umesh, if you want to design in a specific format, entered input is, this time I will change the name as my name Dheeraj. Let's see what how it will execute. If I run this, if I paste here input as the input, if I click enter, entered input is Dheeraj. That's it. So we can directly print or we can give as the input also. That's it. So in the next video, let's see some other examples. Thank you.